The sun is the energy source that drives all biological processes on Earth. Plant photosynthesis, which allows for oxygen production, depends on sunlight. The core of the sun reaches a temperature of about 15 million degrees Celsius. For degrees Fahrenheit, it is about 27 million. In contrast, the surface, called the photosphere, is only about 5,500 degrees Celsius. For degrees Fahrenheit, it is about 10,000. The sun accounts for about 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. Its mass is 330,000 times greater than of Earth. The sun constantly emits a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. This wind can affect Earth, causing phenomena such as the auroras and disruptions in satellite communications. The average distance from the sun to Earth is about 150 million kilometers. For miles, it is about 93 million, which corresponds to 1 astronomical unit AU. It takes Lie about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the sun to Earth. Every second, the sun converts about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium in its core, releasing energy in the form of light and heat. This process, called nuclear fusion, makes the sun shine. The sun's powerful gravity is responsible for keeping the entire solar system in order. Without the sun's gravity, the planets, comets, and other objects in the solar system would drift off into space. About every 11 years, the sun undergoes a solar cycle, during which its magnetic poles flip. This change affects solar activity, including the number of sunspots and the intensity of the solar wind. Although it seems like the sun is stationary, it is actually moving through space at a speed of about 720,000 kilometers per hour. For miles, it's about 450,000 per hour. The sun, along with the entire solar system, orbits the center of the Milky Way galaxy, and it takes about 230 million years to complete on orbit. In about 5 billion years, after exhausting its nuclear fuel, the sun will undergo a dramatic transformation. It will expand into a red giant, possibly engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. After shedding its outer layers, the sun will leave behind a beautiful planetary nebula, a glowing shell of gas, before finally becoming a white dwarf, a dense, Earth-sized remnant that will slowly cool over billions of years. This marks the sun's quiet end after a lifetime of shining brightly in our wonderful sky. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment, and share this video with others. And remember that you cannot observe the sun without proper protection. Short-term direct contact with the sun's rays temporarily blinds the naked eye, but when you point a telescope at it, the intensified effect of the focused photon beam can irreversibly damage your eyesight. See you soon.